Okay, many of you think that good hardware is enough for making any device good, but that is not the case. Let's come to the topic. Here I am talking about the operating system as software. So actually there are two types of operating system, there are actually two sectors in Android case. First of all, stock Android, which is actually built by Google, and second one is the modified, or simply we can say skin. Obviously you have known about skin as EMUI or ROG skin or Red Magic skin. So should you only choose stock Android? Well, that's not the case. You can also choose apart from stock Android if it is providing good performance. For example, OnePlus and OnePlus actually. But still many of the companies, although they are trying their best, are not able to provide the good software experience because due to less labor or less hard work, I guess, because they lose the good performance of their software in their devices. So yes, I personally prefer you stock Android. So why good software matters a lot for any smartphone, or simply we can say any device. So here I want to give you the example. Recently I took Realme Narzo 20A, which is obviously a very great smartphone, and it was just providing a very great specifications, hardware specifications in that price point. But when I used it personally, I was not that satisfied, and let me explain you why. When I used it personally, I was not that satisfied. Although it contains Snapdragon 665 11nm based, it was not actually performing that good. And the reason behind is that I was looking many lags and frame drops, which is not supposed to be in that smartphone. Whereas my smartphone, that is Asus Zenfone Max 2 M2, it is actually 2 years old or more than 2 years old smartphone. Actually it contains Snapdragon 660, which is 14nm based, and obviously it is a far traditional, or simply you can say too traditional than Snapdragon 665, that is 11nm based. So although it contains Snapdragon, my smartphone contains Snapdragon 660 as 14nm, it is still providing a very good experience, mobile experience actually. And I'm totally satisfied with my smartphone. Although I do gaming and sometimes I see lags, obviously I won't tell lie. And don't take me wrong guys, I'm not promoting my smartphone, or simply you can say Asus. So to know why stock Android is better than the non-stock Android, let's first know its meaning actually. So stock Android is the basic version of Android which is developed by Google. And you can see in the many companies smartphone, for example Asus or Motorola, and obviously you don't get to see any kind of bloatwares and almost zero bug. Whereas the modified version of stock Android, or simply you can say skin as well, is actually developed by the companies, for example Xiaomi or Oppo or Samsung, and obviously it contains some kind of bloatwares and bugs as well. So now let's talk why you get to see more better performance in stock Android comparing to none or modified Android. So in stock Android, what happens that since you don't get to see any kind of bloatwares and bugs, the load on the processor or SoC reduces a lot, because of which the performance of the running smartphone increases a lot. But in the stock Android, what happens that since it contains many kinds of bugs and bloatwares, the load on the microprocessor, or simply you can say SoC as well, it increases a lot, because of its performance slightly decreases, or in some cases do not decrease as well. So should company stop providing the non-stock Android? Well, it depends. If company is providing non-stock Android for any kind of purpose, for example gaming purpose, in gaming phones you get to see triggers for that gaming use. Obviously to use that trigger, the feature is not available in the basic version of Android, and to enable that the company has to decode, or simply can say recode that Android version into modified Android. So yes, if the purpose is good, the company can use or simply can say the company can modify that Android version, stock Android, into the modified version. Why many of the companies try to give the non-stock Android? Well, it is about the greediness or profit. Any of the company will try to gain more and more profit, and to gain more and more profit, the main source is the ads. By providing the companies on bloatwares, or simply you can say applications, companies on applications which is actually not necessary for any of these smartphone, by giving or by providing or by installing that application in that smartphone, any certain smartphone, they can just put the ad inside its application, and by the help of it the company can gain more and more profit. Well, I don't want to tell that the combination of good software and bad hardware is okay as well, because the combination of good software and good hardware matters a lot for giving any device its flagship performance. Well, no doubt I am not telling about the flagship price. And yes guys, the purpose of making this video, or simply we can say for highlighting this software, is that many of the companies are able to provide the good hardware, but they are not able to provide the good software as well. And the reason behind is that providing the good software or good software experience takes a lot of layers and the hardware, and obviously many of the companies are not able to do that hardware, and that's why many of the reviewers prefer that stock Android. Yes, there are some of the non-stock Android which gives a very good performance. For example, Oxygen OS. I can't tell about the EMUI because I have not used it yet. And yes guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please make sure to hit the like button and also do subscribe this channel and share this with your friends and family if you think that this video will be helpful for them as well. And also guys, don't forget to comment any sort of good or bad review that you want to give to me, then please let me know in the comment section, or any kind of suggestion that you want to give me, then please let me know in the comment section. And yes guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.